Are you constantly juggling calendars, missing out on important team holidays, or getting stuck in double-booked meetings? Keeping everyone's availability updated in multiple places wastes time and leads to confusion, especially in a busy workplace. That's where Leave Dates Calendar Sync comes in. With seamless integration, your leave requests automatically appear in your favourite calendar app, so you and your colleagues always stay in sync. No more missed holidays or scheduling mishaps. Setup is simple. Just head over to the settings and choose Calendar Sync. Hit Add Calendar and pick either Outlook or Google Calendar. Grant permissions and you're ready to go. Your time off will show up instantly in your calendar. Want a clear view of when teammates are away? Subscribe to a company or department calendar feed and see everyone's absences as optional overlays. Syncing your calendar with leave dates isn't just a convenience. It means fewer scheduling headaches, smoother collaboration, and more time spent on work that matters. Ready to make leave management effortless? Try Leave Dates Calendar Sync today and take the guesswork out of your team's scheduling.
Leave Dates, putting the whoop into out of office.